Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here from RachandBellaCrafts, and I've had some happy mail and I thought I would open it on camera, and it's from Judith. Her name is Judith Eddington. She's on our Facebook page in the Junk Journal Trading Post with Rach and Bella, and also Judith came to our last retreat that we had here in the hotel near where I live in Cumbraen, the Parkway, and we also had a couple of people come just for one day, so you can do that. You can just come to the retreats just for one day, or 2 days, or 3 days. I'll talk about that in a moment because we've got 2 retreats lined up. The website is not out until tomorrow, and Rachel will be launching her new website tomorrow, so watch out for Rach and Bella by Rachel tomorrow, because she's going to announce everything tomorrow and the dates and everything. So I'm not allowed to tell you any more than that, but it's getting really exciting. Okay, so I'll let her tell you the rest. But this lovely lady, Judith, has sent me this happy mail to thank me for my slow stitching projects on video, and also for just helping her out generally, I think, and what she's been watching my videos. So, and for inspiring her, that's the words I'm looking for. Thank you, Judith. I'm so excited to open this because I love getting happy mail. So we're going to turn it over. You can see how nicely, beautifully she's packed it. All right, and see if I can get this open now with no knots. Yes, there are knots. Okay, we're going to go this way then. Right, there we are. That's it. There we are, I'll keep that. So let's open the small one first, shall we? Oh, well done. They're not sealed. How marvellous. I'm going to take this out very, very carefully. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that so clever? Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Hang on, let me get it back on before I lose them. Little pegs. Oh, they're so cute. Thank you. I'll put them back in there. I will use them because I do pin things up all over the place. So they will get used, Judith. Thank you. And you've made lovely envelopes as well. Thank you. That's the first one. Oh, what's this? Make sure I get everything out. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, some lovely strips of material. How fun. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's lovely. Oh, they're so bright and cheerful, aren't they? Oh, they're gorgeous. I know what I'm going to do with these. I'm not going to tell you, but I know what I'm going to do with them. You'll have to wait and see. I love that on there. Oh, that is so lovely. Wow, isn't that fun? That is such fun. Marvellous. Thank you. I won't put those back in. I want to leave those there just to look at for a moment because they're so cheerful. That's wonderful. Thank you. I've got my winter woolly on today. Oh, wow, look. Oh, they're lush. Some beautiful stamps. Oh, how fun. All the colours, look, they match. That is such fun. Oh, I love these. I haven't got any stamps like this. I've got other stamps because I bought some stamp books a while ago and I forget to use them. But these are really, they're so much fun. 1991, that one. 11.5p. That's a Christmas one. Sorry. And that one is España. Excellent. 5p, that's the old 5D there. 5 pennies. That's the second class one. How fun. I'm not going to go through them all because you'll think I'm bonkers if I do that. Right, there we go. So we'll put those safely back in there. Thank you, Judith. That's so kind of you to share your stash like that. That's marvellous. Now, what's in this last one? Oh, she's got to know me already now, and I spent a day with her. How fabulous. These are lovely, and I'm going to keep them in there, then I know where I've got them from. Oh, that's sweet. It's like seersucker, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? That's lovely too. That's thin enough to make yo-yo or a hexagon. I'll do that one last. That's lovely. Oh, that's lovely material, that is. Beautiful. I wonder what you made with that, Judith. And some lovely ribbon. Gorgeous. And I could shred that and make it narrow or use it wide, can't I? Well, I'm always looking out for these, so thank you. Thank you for sharing that with me. It's like hemp. I don't know whether Roxy would say it was hemp, but it feels like hemp. But, you know, it's really strong cotton. Isn't that pretty? I've got that the wrong way round. No, I haven't. I was looking at that there. No, it's not. It's raised. Isn't that fun? Oh, this is so jolly. Because the weather is absolutely awful at the moment. So I love that stitching there. Some ideas on here, Christine. Christine's been doing slow stitching since we came back off the retreat, and she's made what do you call it, a sewing book. Yes, a sewing book, and it looks fantastic, and she's really been trying out some stitches. She's doing really well. So you girls have inspired me. So it works two ways. The encouragement works both ways. So thank you so much. And we've got a lovely little ladies chat now that since the retreat, and we keep in touch via this little chat. So we're showing each other what we've been making, which is lovely. So when you come to the retreats, if you'd like to come to the retreat, you make lovely friends, and you can keep in touch. And WhatsApp is wonderful because you don't pay anything, do you? So you can text and do all kinds of things to your heart's content. Yes, so Judith just came for one day. Well done, Judith. Thank you so much for that. Now to finish off, I'm just going to do a quick flip through, and I think I might have to raise you up a little bit. So turn away a moment. If I can just move my arm a little bit. Otherwise I won't get it in. There we are, you get the gist of it. So you've seen that before. I'm just going to do, I've done that recently, and I've bought a little punch which is on my table. Hang on a sec, because I've seen Roxy Creations using this corner punch, not this one, but something similar, and it's so effective. Look, I don't know whether you're getting the full effect. I'll show you on the back. There we are, and it's lovely. So that is I don't know how you pronounce that. Vassen. There's the name there. Creative, and that's a corner punch. So there we go. So that was something different I tried there, and I was really pleased with that. So I put a button on that one. I've done this morning. I did some stitching around there, put a little pocket on there with these little stamps, and they go in there like so. So I've done that today. I put that on that I did in the collaboration, so that's gone on. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. Our kit is just flying out because it's so beautiful. And I haven't done much more there. What have I done altogether? I haven't done as much on this because I was finishing off my tool journal. And I put that one on there, that one. So that's glued down there. Okay. And this one, I'm going to finish it off because I want to put some, and it's going to go over the page. So I put that there, that's a tuck. So I'm waiting to make some more tags. I've got loads of tags to make yet and pockets. So I might do a bit, and I've done this morning. I've yet to put the button on here, and the corner's been done on that one as well. So that, and I put a belly band on here. But I was not in the mood yesterday to get my sewing machine out, so obviously that isn't stitched around. But I put that on there instead. And I did go back and I finished off the embossing because I realised I'd missed a bit. Okay, because I wanted to show you the difference. And I've done that this morning. I put those in there, but they've yet to be backed. Just trying that out, and that was a bit of ribbon I found. I thought the green would pick up the green there. Okay. These are just out of my books, these pages. And I did that one, I think it was yesterday or the day before. That was out of the collaboration, but I did put a little bit of lace down there, and that has been stitched. So I was pleased with that. That's my embossing page there. And there's a pocket there. I've got a lot to do yet in this. And I even did the corners on the little tag as well. Okay. And put some of Angela's. Now, Angela Kerr sent me a beautiful box of ribbons and lots of lovelies. And I've used these. This is from Angela, that one. I think that one was mine. That's the ruffle I made for the retreats. The retreat, not the retreats. I'm not sure if that's going to stay in there, but that was just to remind me. I did do a little bit of stitching on there with, I don't know whether you can see it, with some ribbon from Angela. And the ribbon is here. I could show you the ribbon. And I've got a couple of them out here ready to use. That's got reindeers on. And this is the one that I used on those tags, okay? So go over to Angela's shop and have a look, because it's a beautiful bundle. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I've yet to put more in here, so watch this space. And that's been embossed. I think I did that after the retreat, though. Not the retreat, collaboration. And they're stitched on there nicely. And this one is something out of my stash that I'd already made last year. And I thought, oh, that'll fit in there nicely. And then I put these little pockets that Rachel had designed from her kit in there. Oh, I've yet to put one in the back there. So I've still got that to do. But I've got loads and loads and loads to do in this journal, and I'm not rushing it because the retreat was so tiring. I'm just going gently, gently. I did finish off my tall journal, and that was quite a feat that I did that. So that was something in my stash as well. I thought, oh, that'll fit in there nicely. I'm going to add a piece of paper onto there. That's another one of the tags from Rachel's kit. And I punched that hole there. I really do like this punch, I must say. I've never been into these punches, but I bought a few. Oh, these were at the retreat, and somebody kindly brought them in for us to play with and have if we wanted them. That's one of the corner pockets from the kit. So you never know what you pick up at these retreats. So that's another bonus, because people are so kind, they share things. And that's as far as I've got. So I've got a lot to do yet. Oh, and this one, that was the last one I was going to show you. You've seen that one before. But this one, now I hope I get this right now. I've got it right in front of me, so I should get it right. This was Bumblebee Crafts, and her prompt for the collaboration was Christmas ornaments and baubles. And she made a beautiful bauble. So if you haven't been over, she was week 11 with G. Kerr, okay? And I thought, I'm going to have a go at that. I tell you what, it wasn't easy, because I just wish I'd had, you know, a die cut, but I didn't have one big enough. So I had to cut it out. As you know, in my finger, it's quite hard going with the scissors. But I had a go, and it was a bit of fun. So I've done that. I backed that, put that in there. These are Rachel's papers, obviously. And I did some little collaging on here. I hope you're on screen, yes. And it was real fun. There's a little bit of material there that I've made like a, what do you call those? Oh, I can't think of it now, but never mind. So I'm going to put it that way. I think you're in view there. Let me move my thing over. All right. And let me turn that over. Let's look at the back first. And I made a tag to go in there. I could have stitched around there, but I haven't done it yet. But I have stitched around the edge of the bauble. That's that one. And I didn't use a tab. I used a circle and just folded it over. It was easy to catch hold of. Okay. And I've used the punch on there again, another punch that I've got. So that was lovely. But this was real fun. It was ever such good fun. Once I got into it and I cut the circles out, but I kept getting smaller and smaller because they were They weren't straight. They're still not perfectly straight now, but I'm not going to worry about it. And I've yet to put some, and I'm just thinking now, this would be rather nice, wouldn't it? Thinking of Angela's ribbons. See, that would finish it off nicely, wouldn't it? And then you've got your writing paper. Isn't it fun? I know a couple of the ladies have made these, so well done. And that on the back. So that was that. So that went very nicely in the back of my journal. I know I already had a tag, but this is the only place that I knew that it would fit in, because it's quite, not thick. Well, it is thick, but, you know, that would accommodate it. That's what I'm trying to say. So it could go right down there if I wanted it to, or it could just poke out like that. So she's coming on really nicely, I think. So, but as I say, I've got lots and lots to do yet. And I'm just waiting to get my teeth into that. So she's going to be so beautiful when she's finished. I think so. So there we go. So I thought I'd just share that with you, because I'd come on to show you the lovely gift I had from Judith. And I shall leave it at that. So have a nice day and take care of each other. And don't forget to watch the collaboration. Tomorrow we've got... Hang on, I've got to turn the page. Let's have a look. Today we've got, I don't know what the date is, that's the problem. I've got no idea what the date is. I've got a funny feeling it's, yeah, here we go. It's Autumn Moon Art and the Brown Dragonfly with watercolour painted gift tags. That's going to be real fun. And I think I've already watched the Brown Dragonfly, and that was fun. So please go on over. And then we got Seven Plaza tomorrow and Berry Mix journals. Yes, that's right. Retro Christmas themed tickets. That's going to be interesting. So there you go, girls and boys. Have a lovely day and take care. Bye for now.